Understanding unexpected windfall, a guide to sudden fortunes. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might come across in stories, news, or conversations: unexpected windfall. We'll explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Stay tuned to discover the joy and surprise behind this intriguing phrase. An unexpected windfall refers to a sudden, unexpected piece of good fortune, often involving receiving a large amount of money or benefits without any prior anticipation. Imagine waking up one day to find out that you've inherited a fortune from a distant relative or won a lottery that you barely remember entering. That's what an unexpected windfall feels like. A surprising boost to your financial situation that you hadn't planned for. The term windfall originally comes from a natural occurrence. In the past, people were allowed to collect wood from the ground in forests for firewood, but they couldn't cut down trees. So, when strong winds blew and knocked down trees or branches, these were considered a bonus, hence the term windfall. Over time, this concept was metaphorically extended to any unexpected gain or profit, especially financial. 1. Inheritance, receiving money or property from a relative's will. 2. Lottery or gambling wins, winning a significant amount of money in a lottery, casino, or betting game unexpectedly. 3. Found money, discovering a valuable item or cash that you didn't know existed. 4. Bonuses and gifts, receiving unexpected bonuses at work or generous gifts that have substantial value. Expressing surprise, I can't believe my luck. I received an unexpected windfall when my long-lost aunt left me her estate. Sharing news, did you hear about Sarah? She had an unexpected windfall when she found a rare painting in her attic. Financial planning, after that unexpected windfall from the lottery, we need to think about how to invest the money wisely. An unexpected windfall can bring a sudden change to someone's life, filled with opportunities and, of course, happiness. Understanding and using phrases like this not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you connect more deeply with the nuances of the English language. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase and that you'll be able to spot or maybe even experience your own unexpected windfall someday. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.